Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the stage and essential assets so you can build the start experience immediately. Open a new project, set the backdrop, and place a title and a clear Start button sprite. Once done, create a Boolean variable named started and initialize it to 0 in a when green flag clicked block. Make sure the Start sprite and any instructional overlays are visible now. You will wire interaction next, so the screen actually transitions into gameplay. You now implement the click flow that launches the game. On the Start sprite, add a When This Sprite Clicked sequence. Play a short sound, set started to 1, broadcast game start, then hide the Start sprite and overlays. Once broadcasted, other sprites receive game start and run their setup scripts. This cleanly separates the Start logic from gameplay. Make sure to add a hover or press animation so users know the button is interactive, and include a short delay if you want a quick visual transition. You finish by connecting the Start broadcast to the actual game initialization so things run smoothly. When sprites receive game start, set player coords, reset timers, enable controls, and switch to the gameplay backdrop, then permanently hide Start elements or stop their scripts. Once done, test pressing the Start button and confirm the broadcast triggers every receiver. If something breaks, make sure broadcast names match exactly. The started variable is initialized, and Start sprites aren't accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.